Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Technics. It's a SJ-MD150 MiniDisc player. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the machine apart, show you what the fault is and how to fix it. So first things first, let's power it up and actually see what the fault is. It's actually quite a nice condition, this machine. It has the drop down flap which is quite often missing. So we'll just grab a MiniDisc and pop it in. We'll open that so you can see the display better. I don't actually see it doing anything. I can't hear it spinning up either. Oh, this is not looking good. So for some reason it's not even spinning discs. What we'll do is take the screws out and have a look, see what's going on. So I think first things first, we'll just give it a little clean. Give it a quick blast of air, see if that helps. Let's try a disc again. So it's attempting to spin the disc. Could it just be a case of a dirty lens? Let's clean the lens and find out. Let's try again. Now it's reading. So hopefully you can see that. I'll just drop the front down so you can see. It's actually now reading the disc. As you can see, the disc is spinning. So all it was a case of getting a cotton bud, get yourself a bit of isopropyl, dab it in, gentle wipe on the lens, and the machine is working. So that was a nice easy fix. And they're quite desirable machines, these as well. You know, Technics didn't make that many disc machines, and this is the last one that they made, and as I say, it's quite desirable, especially with it being in nice condition. So there you go. If your MiniDisc isn't playing discs, at the very least, just try and give it a good head clean like I've just shown you, and hopefully you'll be able to get your machine working again, or prolong its life. So there we have it, all working. Just a case of the laser lens needed a clean. So as you can see, it's quite an easy job to do. So hopefully that gives you a bit of confidence to clean your own MD laser lens. You can also use the same principle for a CD player, etc. that's not reading discs. So I hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe, have a look at my other videos, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.